South Africa's draft national AI policy is now available for public commenting. It was actually released yesterday, the 10th of April, and we have until June to actually add our public comments. Look, you might think that AI is not your sector and whatever, maybe you shouldn't be involved in this. Look, this is something that's really going to shape the way South Africa is going, the direction South Africa is actually heading, and the job opportunities, employment, degrees, and what we should be studying and what will be relevant in the future, right? So it's very important that you actually engage with these kind of things because they actually do impact your life. And if you do not pay attention to them, you might find yourself left behind, not having to voice your opinion in things in the policy space, right? Honestly, today I'm not going to give you guys a detailed overview of the policy, right? I'm actually just going to give you a summary. I'm going to start a series on this starting tomorrow while breaking it down in different parts and all of that. But I'm just going to give you an overview taste of what this sort of policy actually is doing. Look, the overall vision for this is to say, how can we use AI for economic growth, job creation, and reducing cost, and also developing Africa overall, right? They are really thinking about how do we make South Africa a better economy and create opportunities for everyone, right? And some of the key things that actually stood out is that they want to start introducing AI curricula all the way to primary school, which I believe is a really, really good initiative, right? They want to start using it in the health sector. They want to start using it in agriculture because those are very important sectors that we need to cater for, right? They will be establishing even ethics bodies, governing bodies, and audit committees and stuff like that to ensure that there's AI models that are being deployed and all of that are actually governed and they're being built in a responsible way. They are also going to bring an AI fund. So in the event that you are harmed by AI and it's not really clear who is responsible, you will be compensated for that harm. So all companies that are actually developing these models will be paying a certain fee that will contribute to sort of that fund. Honestly, they have thought about a lot of things, even digitizing our official languages and stuff like that, because we need to bring in our culture. We cannot just exclude our culture within these technological advances, right? So for me, those are some of the things that really stood out, and I will be breaking it down in detail, but this is a very important moment, and I would highly encourage you guys to actually engage in this because it could actually change what our future actually looks like as a country.